Okay, how do you change the toilet?
Okay, so the first thing you do when you change a toilet is you got to turn the water off. Okay,
He's making it up.
you turn the water off, and then you flush the toilet, and what that's going to do is it's going to draw down all the water out of the tank. The tank in the back. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're
Put an upper decker in.
If there's an upper decker, there's a whole nother level of problem. So, barring the upper decker, what you're going to do is you're going to reach in, and usually what's going to happen is the tank is going to be secured with screws. You're going to undo those, and you're going to pull the water tank, the back tank. That's going to come off, and you're going to... a lot of times you can set that actually in the bathtub because it's got water and it's going to drip and stuff.
What if it's a powder room?
You have a toilet in a powder room?
No, but he means like there's no shower in there, no bathtub in there.
Oh, then
He means like a half bath.
Then what you do is you get like a bucket
Outside.
or maybe a plastic bin, and you could
Like a
stick it in
keg
that.
tub. A keg tub.
Something to
Just don't use it for a keg after.
to hold the water.
Right.
And then so you've got so now what you're gonna have is you're gonna have just the toilet bowl. It's gonna look like a bidet. And on the bottom, there's screws that are holding that tank down.
I'm seeing a lot of swear
To
words.
the floor.
I'm swearing.
You said
In
screw,
French.
Bidet.
Bidet.
screwing.
So many swears. So there are these little. If you look on the bottom of the toilet, you're gonna see there are these two like white
on the
things
floor.
right here. You're gonna pop those off,
Pop it off.
and you're gonna unscrew basically the bowl from the floor. Okay, so you're gonna unscrew those, and then you're gonna stand like this. You ready? You're gonna
Sorry.
stand like this, and you're gonna pull the bowl
Straight up?
straight up.
Wait, do you have to do that move?
Sometimes you get a shimmy a little bit.
Shimmy.
Okay, you're gonna pull the bowl.
Do
up.
the shimmy again though. Do the shimmy.
Shimmy.
Shimmy, shimmy,
Sometimes you get a
shimmy.
shimmy a little bit.
Shimmy, shimmy. Coco.
You're gonna pull the bowl up. You're gonna set that to the side. What you're gonna have is you're gonna have a big hole.
Could you
your
poop in the
floor.
hole if you needed to really badly? It was like your only toilet.
Yeah, but there's
What
no,
if you really had to go?
There's
It's
no
an
water
emergency.
pushing it down.
It's an
There's no
emergency.
flushing action.
Okay, it's an emergency though. What if you like
You
had
need
like
some
bad
lubrication?
Mexican food the night
This is
before?
what I would do. I might pee down that hole, but I don't know about pooping in the hole.
What if you like had to go? Like what if it was like?
You could.
And then what would happen? Would there be a problem? Like, would things be bad after that?
It might get caught somewhere down there, and there's no flushing action.
So you don't recommend it, but you
I
could
don't
if you
recommend
had
it, But
to.
if you had to, maybe get a hose. I don't know. So you've now taken that toilet off. Okay.
Nope.
That toilet is trash. And you're getting rid of it. Okay.
Can you put it
you're
out with
gonna
the regular
do
trash?
now-
Can you put it out with your regular trash bin?
I don't know what the laws are,
But aside from the laws,
but if you
Best guess.
had room in your trash bin, you could throw it in there, which is
should you like crash it up with a big sledgehammer?
You could.
Sledgehammer.
you could
Like Peter Gabriel?
if you were Peter
Yeah.
Gabriel. Sledgehammer.
Do you do it when do you sledgehammer it when it's in the bin or when it's outside the bin and then put it in pieces, or should you put it in the bin and then sledgehammer it in
Is
the
your
bin?
bin empty?
I
Yes.
beg your pardon.
Sledge it in the bin.
Okay. Got it.
So
That's dirty.
what you're gonna have is you're gonna have a big hole in your floor.
That's very
And you shouldn't poop it in unless it's an emergency.
Don't poop in it. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're probably gonna stick a
Not your poop.
towel, maybe some paper towels.
Is it a towel that you're going to use again?
This sounds very dirty.
No.
It should be a
This is-
towel
this
that's
is
like a
scrap
trash.
towel.
Okay,
use it.
not like your favorite bath towel.
This is your favorite bath towel. That's a problem. You're gonna stick it in the hole because
Stuff it
what
in
you
the
don't
hole.
want, what you don't want is you don't want
The backflow.
Poop
the
smell.
sewer,
Especially if you
the
just
sewer
pooped in there from your
smells
Mexican problem.
coming up into your bathroom. Okay.
We call that a Taco Bell.
The Taco Bell. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your new toilet, okay, and so your new toilet is gonna come just like when we took the old toilet off. You're gonna have the bowl and the tank. Your new toilet is gonna have the bowl and the tank. Okay.
And a wax.
Listen, this is very interesting.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the new toilet, the new bowl, okay, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to turn it upside down, and you're going to get the wax ring. Okay.
Wait a minute.
So you buy a wax ring. I think it's like Johnny O or something like that. The popular wax ring.
Is it Irish?
Oh, to stick.
And what you're going to do is you're going to take the wax ring. So the wax ring comes, it's in a box, and then it's
Johnny O in a
this
box?
wax
Is it
ring,
big
and
in
then
a
there's
box?
like this.
Is that from
It's
KY?
like it looks like a donut, okay, and it's got this plastic stuff that you have to peel off it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the
The donut.
It's a lubricant.
yeah. You're going to take the wax ring,
Is it
and you're
water
going to
soluble?
stick it under the bottom of your toilet. And you're going to peel off the black plastic of it, so all you have is
Black plastic.
So all you have is the wax ring. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to then flip the toilet over, and then like this.
Shimmy? Are you gonna
Okay.
shimmy?
So on the bottom of the toilet there are 2 holes.
Wow.
Okay. And so where you unscrewed them before, there's going to be
Oh my gosh.
4
Is
bolts.
he giving us a finger?
No, these are bolts.
Oh,
So there's going to be bolts in the floor just like this. Just like this. So you're going to have bolts in the floor.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're going to take the toilet bowl and you're going to walk it over. Okay?
It's heavy, huh? It's heavy.
You're going to want to put the toilet bowl over the 2 bolts
Sort
He
of
keeps
a
giving us the
in the
finger.
floor.
doggy
Food.
style type.
And
mount.
you're gonna
Mount.
push it down.
Push it
So
real
that
good.
wax ring is going to push into the floor, actually into the flange. It's called flange.
Flange is a
times
fun
you
word.
hit,
Flange. Wow.
No. You're going to push it in there, and you're going to
Thrust.
shimmy.
Shimmy.
And
You're
then
going to shimmy a little bit until it
Seal.
seals to the floor. And then what you're going to do is you're going to screw.
lick it.
Look at him
We're
with his
not.
fingers.
There will be no licking.
Oh,
Ew.
You're gonna screw that onto the. You're gonna screw that onto the floor. You're then gonna take those caps and put those caps on. Now sometimes the bolts that are coming up out of the floor
Wait, that is his middle finger.
are gonna.
No
it is my
wonder.
middle finger.
Mount.
Are gonna be really long, and
Wow.
and the caps aren't gonna fit on top of the middle fingers.
oh.
The bolts.
what
So
do
you're
you
gonna have to
do?
take a hacksaw, and you're gonna have to cut the bolts down.
Okay.
So instead of this, it's like this.
So it's more of a knuckle.
It's a nub. It's a nub.
And then you're going to put the caps back on it, okay? And now your toilet is nicely seated on the floor. You're then going to take your tank, okay? And you're going to put the tank on top of the back of the toilet, and then you're going to screw it in depending on how it screws. Sometimes it screws from the bottom, sometimes it screws from the top.
How do you like to screw it in?
So you're gonna
thrusting.
you're gonna screw that in, and you're gonna connect the water, and then you're gonna turn the water back on, and you're gonna let the water come in. You're gonna flush the toilet, and hopefully the whole thing's gonna work. That's how you change toilet.
Yay.
Okay, all right.
Nice.
Well done.
What is wrong with you?